A very warm good afternoon to all of you over here. A heartful thanks to Aura who have got their exhibition over here. I think this is the second or third time they are coming here. A marriage season now, November, December, January, and we are all expecting again COVID third wave. So it's always better to avoid traveling, and as these people have got their exhibition here, it would be fruitful to the localites to come and shop their jewelries here. Anyways, ornaments are always favorite of ladies, including our goddesses. And I request all the men over there to give something for your mother, sister and wife. They've got beautiful collection of earrings, and this is what I have taken, a diamond stud. Nice collection actually. So please do come and have your share of joy and purchase it. Thank you.
ಹಲೋ ಗುಲ್ಬರ್ಗ ಪೀಪಲ್, ಹಾಯ್. ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಗುಲ್ಬರ್ಗದಾಗ ಲಾಸ್ಟ್ ಇಯರ್ನು ಓರಾ ಡೈಮಂಡ್ಸ್ ಬಂದಿತ್ತು, ಬಟ್ ದಿಸ್ ಟೈಮ್ ವೆರಿ ನೈಸ್ ಕಲೆಕ್ಷನ್. ಎಲ್ಲರೂ ಬನ್ನಿ ನೋಡಿ, ರಿಯಲಿ ಭಾಳ ಚೆನ್ನಾಗಿದೆ. ಐ ಆಮ್ ಸೋ ಹ್ಯಾಪಿ. ಐ ಆಮ್ ಗೋಯಿಂಗ್ ಟು ಟೇಕ್ ದಿಸ್ ಒನ್ ಆರ್ ಡೆಫಿನೆಟ್ಲಿ. ದಿಸ್ ಇಸ್ ರಿಯಲಿ ವೆರಿ ನೈಸ್ ಡಿಸೈನ್, ವೆರಿ ಪ್ರಿಟಿ.
Let me make you wear my
श्योर. प्लीज़ फ्रेंड्स, सभी आके डेफिनेटली देखो. हाँ, बहुत ही अच्छे है. या लास्ट ईयर से तो बहुत अच्छे है. एक्चुअली मैं फर्स्ट आई बोल के मुझे शायद कलेक्शन ज़्यादा मिले. लास्ट ईयर मैं लास्ट मोमेंट आई थी, इसलिए मुझे ज़्यादा दिखे नहीं थे. दिस टाइम रियली नाइस. हाँ, collections.
Hi, hello, this is Chitra here. We came from Bangalore and our exhibition is happening again the same place, Gulbarga Grand Hotel. And this time we came with new collections which has been designed by designer like Falguni San Peacock. So let me show that collection. This is the collection. It's specially made for bride. Like the wedding purpose, you can go for this. It's made in white gold with rose gold combination, and all designs has been done by Crown Star Diamond, which has been cut by signature cut 73 faceted. And you can go for the wedding. Only one necklace will be completely your outfit. And you can see we have the multiple same Falguni San Peacock collections. This is also one more design, and we have 5 products in the same design. You will get all details of the collections, how the diamond has been cut, and the design with the which base we have done it. It's the bridal collection which is for wedding, and this you can just normal get together, you can wear it. It is with the green stone with completely white gold. With the middle you will get a single solitaires. And this collection, it is made in white gold with rose gold. We have not used yellow gold because new trend is white gold and rose gold, which anyone can wear it and any kind of outfit. These 5 designs we have launched, which is Falguni San Peacock. Okay, let's talk about our Aura OGP collection, Aura Generation collection. We can just have a look at. So this is our Aura Generation collection, which will come with a kit. Generation means which product we use, and our generation to generation, like our children's, their children's. So this is the same. It is concept of the 73 facet Aura Crown Star solitaire collections. Designs, you have multiple designs, the same thing, and you have future benefits here like lifetime future 100% upgrade you have, and it is signature cut of Aura, which has been 73 faceted. And in this collection you will get bangles, bracelets, finger rings, earrings, strings, single string, double line string, triple line string. Nowadays the people will not like to go for much of bridal and color stones, then gold, where the gold will be visible. This collection where you can go for any kind of outfit which will give you simple and royal look. And here you will get all type of product, like we called it 7 waves of marriage. So all type of like 7 products we required for the wedding. You will get everything like nose pin, finger rings, earrings, bracelet, bangle, and then necklace. So here you can see the multiple of necklaces, like bridal collection you have simple designs, cocktail designs, get together. Like jewelry, there is no age to wear the jewelry. Anyone can wear and any kind of occasion, any kind of outfit. And we have very good discounts here, and you have the good opportunity where you can exchange your old gold and buy diamond jewelry, grab the most discounts as well as a beautiful collection also. This is one of our fast moving collection, which is been setted in the Aquila design, where the diamond will be small but it will give you the big size of diamond look, and the sparkle will be also the same time. You will get the more sparkle, fire and scintillation. And this called Aquila 7 diamonds, like you can call it as a nakshatra pattern. Wedding also you can wear as a choker kind of designs. It can be go with lehenga as well as the sari also. The most important thing is like people used to think the diamond is more expensive, they cannot wear, but Aura has the made particular design where every people can wear the diamond jewelry and within a small amount, where we have very good EMI option where you can pay 10% of down payment and rest 90,000 you can convert to EMI. It depends on your product value, how much you are going for it. 3 months to till 12 months you can go for the EMI, all diamond jewelry. And in that we require some certain documents like Aadhaar card, PAN card, 3 months bank statement, 3 months salary slip. And the beautiful option is here, there is a no interest, it is 0% interest. Every jewelry will be having the monthly scheme, but Aura also have the same scheme here, but there is a twist between others and Aura, where you can pay just 10 months the monthly amount, starting 3,000 to up to any amount you can go for it. Example, you are going for 5,000 monthly scheme, so 10 months your contribution will be 50,000, then 11 months Aura will give you 1 month bonus. And top of that, whatever is the maturity time, if you join in this month particularly, so your next maturity is happening on Diwali. So Diwali time you will get ongoing offer as well as the 1 month bonus. So ultimately you no need to come every month to pay to the store. You can pay by online net banking, AirPay, PhonePe, any kind of net banking you can make the transaction. And we have all of our outlets, 60 outlets, where you can go any Aura outlet and purchase. That is not necessary you have to go to Bangalore or Hyderabad or Mumbai. Wherever you are visit, you can buy there. Even if you have last option where you can select the design in online, www.aura.co.in, and select the design and send us the design image. We can arrange the piece to your place to courier. Usually when we are going to buy a gold jewelry, gold bangles, it will cost you 2 lakhs, minimum to 1.5 lakhs where you can go for daily wear. But Aura has done the special design, which is the with the diamond, you can go for a 2-piece bangle only 1 lakh. And the same time you are getting beautiful pretty design of Astra necklace, which is only 1 lakh. So you can go for the matching sets also, where the earring will be approximately 30,000 cost, and completely set you will get 2.5, you will get complete set 2-piece bangle, necklace as well as the earring, and it is specially studded in rose gold. When we think about Aura, Aura is well known for diamonds as well as the platinum. So all over India we have 60 outlets at present, and you will get maximum collection of diamond with gold as well as the platinum. And especially we have newly launched the Saurya collection, which is the designer piece where you will feel like platinum as well as the rose gold, both the combination. You can feel two-tone combination. In that Saurya collection you will get platinum khada, platinum bracelets and platinum chains. As earlier also I told you, Aura is well known for diamonds and platinum, but still we do keep 22 karat pure gold jewelry, and all are designer pieces. You can see the design and you will get all kind of option here, like gold, pure 22 karat gold chains, pendant sets, earring, necklace, bangle, as well as the cocktail rings also you will be having here. All are antique designs, like waist belt also you will get, and bajuband, all type of gold jewelry. Gold jewelry when it is comes na, it will come all category. And as last time also we came here, you all people have came here and see the design, you have enjoyed the offer also. So this time also our exhibition is there only 3 days, today, tomorrow and day after tomorrow, which is 11th, 12th and 13th. Grab the most beautiful offer and enjoy the designs as well as the discounts. All the beautiful ladies, don't miss the golden opportunity where we came from Bangalore to Gulbarga just because of you. Our exhibition is happening in Grand Hotel, 4th floor, Gulbarga. Please step into our exhibition and make our exhibition successful. We are waiting for you. and you have all category of jewelry, and you have special opportunity where you can exchange your old gold which you are not using it and gold coins, exchange it and buy the new jewelry with the discounts. We are here only 3 days, 11th, 12th and 13th. As earlier also I told you the monthly scheme where every jewelry will be having, but not as Aura. So we have here only 10 months ka EMI option, like it's not EMI, it's a monthly scheme where you can buy gold jewelry, diamond jewelry, platinum jewelry, solitaire jewelry, all category of jewelry you can purchase here. So it's starting from 3,000 to up to any amount you can go. Example, monthly you are going investing 10,000 in Aura. So 10 months your contribution will be 1 lakh. Once 10 months complete, Aura will provide you 1 month bonus. And especially if you are going to join this month, which is December. So exactly next year October your scheme is going to be matured, and October months we will be having Diwali and Dasara discount, as well as the Dhanteras will be there, which is the auspicious day where you can utilize 1 month bonus, ongoing offer. And even though if you like the special design, you can give us for the customization also. And every month you no need to come any particular store to make the payment. You can pay by online net banking and Phone Pay, Google Pay, AirPay. Oh, this product cost is 1 lakh, but you don't think about that it is 1 lakh. You can pay just 10,000 of down payment. Rest amount you can convert to EMI. You will be thinking now, what is the EMI option? There is a no interest which is Aura is giving you the fabulous option where you can save your money, at the same time enjoy the design also. So we have here EMI option also. Usually every jewelry will be offering you the monthly scheme, but nobody will give you the EMI option where you can take the product first to your home, later you can pay by EMI, that is 0% interest. And for that we need certain documents like Aadhaar card, PAN card. If you are salaried person, we need 3 months salary slip and bank statement. Then your like your date of birth, address, those things we require. In case if you are business person, then also you can go for the EMI where we require the IT return, ITR. So this you can go for 3 months, so it is amount 25,000 to till any amount you can go for the EMI, and that is 0% interest. So you can step into Aura VR exhibition. It is happening in Grand Hotel 4th floor, 3 days only, 11th, 12th, 13th. So we are waiting for you, all beautiful ladies. Please step into Grand Hotel 4th floor.
Thank you for watching Go Hash. Like, share, and subscribe our channel.